for it. Action! Hey, what's up, guys? Nelson here. We're installing some, how did you say it?
Cypher.
Some cypher seeds today that my gracious girlfriend got to me. Heck yeah, that's me. Also, I'm the camera girl. He doesn't want to say all this stuff. He's kind of awkward. Also, don't give our location away.
Okay. So this is going to be a pretty easy install today, guys. All you have to do is take out 4 bolts that connect the seat to the car, and that's about it. It should be a real simple one. So it's a 14 mil. Once the car is unbolted, you have to take out, I think there's 3 or 4 clips that connect the power back and forth and the heated seats. Depending on what model you have, you might not have to take all of them out, but this one I had to take 3 or 4 of them off, and they're just right under the seat. So.
Huh?
These are the 2 brackets we're going to be using today. Those are the sliders, and here are our seats. So this is what the bottom of the Cypher seat looks like. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 places for it to screw into, and this is how you have to mount it. So here is the passenger side bracket, and this is the adjustable portion of it. So this longer part has to go with where the lever is to go back to recline. So you're just gonna, you bolt this one up first, and then you bolt the bracket onto these sliders.
Wait, I check it on the... I thought you were gonna vacuum it.
Yeah, well.
Wipe your butt off.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
Ooh.
Uh-oh. What happened? That doesn't seem right. Why isn't it like clicking into place?
Yeah. There we go. It just takes it a second.
running floorboard. Ooh, she matches, boy.
Oh, can you help me get out?
Just back up straight.
What's going on, guys? So in the last clip you guys saw me taking this car to get the brackets fixed. So the bracket for some reason wasn't fitting onto the sliders that I ended up buying, so they were off by like half an inch or so. They just needed to be kind of extended. So all I did was take it, one of my friends knows how to weld. I took it to his shop, he welded it for me. He just extended it, put like a little tab on the slider. The slider fits in perfectly to the seat bracket now, and the seat fits in the car. So this is what it ended up looking like. So as you can see, there's a little bit of a gap now. So the bracket was about an inch off from the slider so it could fit. So we had to scoot the seat about an inch to the right to get it to fit. So, and that's kind of what it looks like. It still fits in perfectly fine. I still got all my tools in there, but so the only thing was it's a little close to the door now. It's a little snug, but besides that, it fits in. It was a super easy fix. I just had to be moved a little bit to the right. So that's about it. The seats are in. This is what the driver's side looks like. Sorry about the light, got late on us. But yeah, they fit great. They feel good. Yeah, there's nothing to complain about. So I hope you guys liked the video. I know it wasn't too in detail on how I did everything, but I was just trying to get it done. It's getting hot. So I hope you guys enjoy it. The next video I think I'm going to be putting on, or showing you guys how I put on the louvers and the duck bill on my car. So stay tuned, watch the next video.